What if one of the brain's most powerful survival tools is the ability to separate what you do from who you are? In the early 20th century, psychologists began studying how people maintain identity during prolonged stress. By the 1910s and 1920s, early psychoanalytic research introduced the idea that the mind can divide experience into different compartments to protect psychological stability. Decades later, resilience researchers in the 1970s and 1980s began observing this pattern more clearly in people who endured long-term high-pressure environments. They found that some individuals maintained a mental boundary between their actions and their identity. Behavior might adapt to circumstances, but the person's internal values, beliefs, and sense of self remained protected. By the 1990s, trauma researchers described this process as cognitive compartmentalization. Instead of collapsing psychologically, the brain organizes experience into separate mental spaces. One space handles immediate survival decisions, another preserves personal identity. This ability allows someone to cooperate with circumstances while refusing to internalize them as part of who they are. Here is the deeper question. What helps someone protect their sense of self when circumstances pressure them to behave in ways that do not reflect their true values? A moderate question worth discussing is whether society sometimes misunderstands this mental separation as denial instead of resilience. And be honest, have you ever done what you had to do in a difficult situation while knowing deep down it did not define who you are, yes or no? The mind has many ways to preserve identity under pressure. Comment your thoughts, share or repost this, follow Oracle Warrior Goddess, and drop a topic below you would like explored next, and it could be the next video you suggested.